Hello, today I'm going to talk about the difference between Where is the Love, a song from Black Eyed Peas, and the other one is from Pink, Where is the President. The song Where is the Love is about injustice happen every day in the world. Where is the Love is talking that we have just only one world and we should help others like brothers. If we believe in God, if we have any religion or faith, is what we should do. The other song is about Where is the President? It's about blame the politician and their bad decision for the misfortune of many people in the country. About the class difference and how many people suffer as a result of poverty and social destabilization. Inviting the president to live the poor people's life so he can know how it feels living in a critical situation. Also talks about the hypocrisy of the politician's life, that sometimes they just look to another way and they don't care about the people. For example, the war in Ukraine. The war in Ukraine is very, very bad situation nowadays in the world, where the politicians, they only care about money, power, and they don't care about people's life, where innocent are the most harmed and the poorest are getting poorer just because a president wants to destroy a nation and show power like Putin is doing now. It is hard to believe that this is happening now in the 21st century, where everything should be different. So my contribution about these two songs. Thank you.